Good evening and welcome back to our video lesson. So this is B part. I think this is video number 5. So we are here at Aaron, page 19. And we are here at the trill study for the right hand. Trill, what is the definition of trill? To alternate a note with the next one above, playing one right after the other, or simply it's a repeated notes. So this one, if you'll see, so we have a we have a bass for 8 counts, okay, and you change it after every 8 counts. On the right hand, there are the trills. So repeated notes, we have do, re, do. Our time signature is 4/4. So if you're going to count, going to read it, it sounds like do, re, do, re, do, re, do, re, mi, re, mi, re, mi, re, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, sol, fa, sol, fa, sol, fa. Then it goes down. Mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, fa, mi, re, mi, re, mi, re, mi, re, do, re, do, re, do, re, do. Okay, now can we play it? Let's see. Let's read it. So I'm going to play the right hand. So middle C, let's see. Ready? One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Three, four. One, two, three, four. Two, F, E. Then second line. F, G, F, G, F, E, F, E, F, E, F, E, D, C, D, C, D, C, D. Yes. Now, for the left hand, you're going to count 4 for every measure. Try for the left. So that is a tie. Now, remember, a tie is different from a slur. A tie connects two or more same notes, and you add the value of the notes. While the slur, you play a different, it connects different notes. Okay, now let's see left hand. So there's a tie, so that becomes 8 counts. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. One, three, four, five, six. Second line. Two, three, four, five, six. Goes down. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Okay, now let's see. Let's play together. So left hand, you're going to sustain. Right hand will move. Okay, let's move our camera a little. So one, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. 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 Three, four, one, two. Yes, let's do it again. One, two, three, four. A little fast. D, G. One, two, three, four. E. One, two, three, four. Remember to curve your fingers. F, E, D, E, D, E, D, E, D. C, D, C, D, C, D. Okay, very good. Now, next one is also a drill study, but the left hand will move. Okay, so let's try first our left hand. So you're going to start with Do, and that is your fifth finger. Remember, that is your fifth. Sometimes students confuse it for our first finger, but this is our first finger. Our first finger is in our G. The fifth is in Do. lower do. Okay, let's try left hand. 2, 3, 4, do, re, do, re, mi, re, mi, re, F, E, F, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, F, G, F, G, F, goes down, E, F, E, F, E, D, E, D, E, D, E, D, C, D, C, D, C, D, yes. Now for the right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. B, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. D, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And C, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm a little sleepy now, but it's okay. So remember, this is a tie and that is not a slur. Can you try both hands? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And C. Do, re. Now, well, this is a little fast, but you can do it slowly. Okay, slower. Can we do it again? So always remember to curve your fingers. Let's do it again, slowly. 1, 2, C, D, C, D, C, D, E, 3, 4, 2, 3, then E, both E, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, the next topic is all about half step. Okay, we already discussed it in our keyboard class, the sharp and the flats. Okay, the half step or half tone is the smallest difference in pitch, high or low, between two notes on the piano. The sharp sign, a sharp placed before a note raises it half step. So we have here C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, and C sharp. So in the keys, so this is C sharp, D sharp, and the E sharp and F, they are enharmonic. So it doesn't mean that all sharps are black, no? So this is E sharp. So F sharp and E sharp, they are enharmonic. Then F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, and C sharp. Okay, let's try sharpen up. So this is Do, C, okay, I'll read by letters, C, D sharp, E, G. Let's read it. Read it. Read it. C, D sharp, E. F, G sharp, A, C, F, G sharp, A. The A is two counts. Second line. G, A sharp, B, D, G, A sharp, B. Then C, G, and then C. 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try. Let's try the first one. So it's 1, then D sharp, 2, then E, G, then C, D sharp, 3, 4. Next is F. F, G sharp, A, C, F, G sharp, hand, fourth finger, G, A sharp, B, then second finger, right hand, G, A sharp, B, and then C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. C, D sharp, E, G, C, D sharp, E, F, G sharp, A, C, F, G sharp, A, G, A sharp, B, B, G, A sharp, B, then C, right hand, left hand, then right hand. 2, 3, 4, then out. Yes. And we do it again, one more time. C, D sharp, second finger, third, fifth. C, D sharp, E, left hand. G sharp, third finger, second, C, F, G sharp, A, fourth finger, A sharp, B, D, G, A sharp, B, 1, 2, then G, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Don't forget to practice. After this, you can post it and practice muna, okay? And then you can play it together with me. Sabay tayo. Now, the other sign is the flat sign. Okay, so here, do flat, re flat, mi flat, fa flat, sol flat, la flat, ti flat, and do flat or C flat scale. So if you're going to look at your keys, this is the C flat or the B. C flat. Next to C is D flat, E flat, F flat or E. That's in harmonic. F, then G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat or B. So that is the C flat scale. Flat, it goes down. Or it's like B scale. The B scale and the C flat, they are enharmonic keys. Pareho siya. Okay, let's read it first. So right hand. So this is sol, fa, mi flat, re, mi flat, do, re, do. 2, 3, 4. Re, mi flat, fa, re, mi flat, do, re. Then last, do, 2. Okay, that's right. Right hand. So G, okay, I'll read it as letters first. G, F, E flat, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, rest, rest. 2, 3, 4. Re, mi flat, fa, re, mi flat, 2, do, re, rest, rest, do. One more time. Sol, fa, mi flat, re, mi flat, do, re, rest, rest, do, re, mi flat, fa, re, mi flat, do, rest, rest. 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's play using our left hand. So it's a C minor chord. Okay, we're going to start with E flat. 2, 3, 4, then do. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Sol. 1, then rest. 3, then fa. 2, 3, 4. Mi. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, very good. Okay, now let's try our right hand. Okay. Sol, fa, mi flat, re, mi flat, 2, do, re, rest, rest. 2, 3, 4. Re, mi, fa, re, mi flat, do, re, for the left hand, you're going to start with B flat. So this is more on C minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Then sol. 1, 2. Second line, 4. 2, 3. Then do. 2, 3, 4. Sol. 2, 3. Then E flat. You will end at E flat here. Okay, now let's try both hands. So we are minor mode. C flat G major. Minor is the sad chord. Let's start. So hold your left hand E flat because that is 4 counts. While quarter notes moves. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Da, 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 da. Re, sol. And then 2, E flat and C. Can we do it again? Okay. This left hand is E flat. 2, 3. Then go to C. 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Do. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, sol. Okay, now let's try it again. Together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fa, mi, flat, re. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Re, mi, fa, re. 2, re, ti. One more time. Sol, fa, mi. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Then 2, 3. Second line. Mi, fa, re, mi. Careful with your bass. Right, then bass. Then hold. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then out. Okay, that is for our left hand. So flatten out. Next time, we're going to tackle the natural sign. So please don't forget to review your works, okay? So you can stop for a while and then review it and then play it again. Okay, so next time we're going to start with a natural sign. Thank you very much and God bless you.